Hello everybody. Today I wanted to show you a solution that I found to a problem after recently finding that my rear windshield wiper was broken on my Equinox after going through an automated car wash. So I started coming up with ideas of what I could do instead of just replacing it. I like to do things a little different and show some personality on my vehicles. So I decided I would try to find an emblem that would take place of the hole that will be left here after I take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the emblem that I picked. So I'll be placing this where this hole goes through the glass. So I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So the first thing we need to do is get this nut off of here. And then pull. So the next thing we'll do is we'll open the hatch, we'll pull the plastic panels off the inside, and then we'll remove the wiper motor to pull the shaft out of here, and we'll go ahead and do that now. Open the back hatch. Alright, looks like a Torx. Probably a T30. Yep, so we have a T30. Okay, so we've got that out. So here's a look at what we've got now. So we're going to be pulling this wiper motor off. Okay, so now that we have the panels removed, we're going to remove this screw, this screw, this screw. Go ahead and unplug this harness. These are a 10mm. And then this grommet, and from what I can tell, it looks like we should be able to push it straight out, and there it is right there. Alright, so now we're going to go to the top side. So I'm going to shut the door and see what we've got going on out there. I'm going to take a razor blade. But one thing you'll want to do if you're going to do this is make sure that your emblem that you want will be bigger than the hole that's left behind, which I think we're in good shape here. Alright, so since this hole is round and my emblem is round, I'm going to measure this hole, I'm going to measure this, and I'm going to make sure this is centered coming out and off to the side so I know that it's centered on the windshield or the rear window. So this is saying my hole opening is 1.164 inches, and then I'm going to measure the emblem. This is 2.365 inches. So I'll subtract the 2 and divide by 2, and that'll give me my measurement down and off to the side. Alright, so after doing the math, we need to be 0.6 out. So what I've done is I've set the calipers to 0.6. It dropped to 0.59995. But anyway, so if I set the side and the bottom right there, that should be center of the window. So now I'm going to go ahead, since we've already cleaned this, I think I'll wipe it up a little bit more just to make sure everything's good. Do a final cleaning here. Okay, and we have a 3M double-sided tape on the back, which is a good adhesive. And then I'll probably put some heat on this after it's on here just to help make sure it's on there good. But press and hold. Take the tape off. Then there's a clear protective coating on it that I probably just smashed down with my hand. Well, there you go. So, if you find your rear windshield wiper to be useless, like I do, you can take it off and replace it with an emblem such as this. This should be sealed so you don't have to worry about water getting down into the door. Alright, now that this is done, I'll go ahead and put everything back together on the inside. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Alright, so here the emblem is installed. If you would like to get your own, I'll put a link in the description below.